Net neutrality simply means that there should be no differentiation between the content on the internet in terms of speed, access, and price. So the speed of the website should not be reduced or increased. There should be no change. Access means you should not delay access to any legally permitted thing. And price means the company will charge only for the data used. The charge or the price will be only for the amount of data utilized in that process. It could be for watching movie, it could be for anything else. That is why net neutrality means no differentiation between the content on the internet in terms of speed, access, and price. Even in our home, what we do? We pay for the total amount of electricity we consume. Whether it is the electricity company is not asking us whether we are using a TV or a fridge or a cooler or anything else. It is simply providing us a connection on a valid address, and after that it is charging us for the total electricity that we have consumed. So similarly is the case of your net neutrality. The company should charge us for the total broadband or total amount of data we have used. Now, this concept of net neutrality is essential for providing universal access to the internet. And this is important for maintaining a level playing field for everyone, whether it is a small company or a MNC. It is important that level playing field is maintained between small company and a MNC, multinational corporation. There were two programs in India that came into news. One was Facebook Free Basic, another was Airtel Zero. There were two programs. One was Facebook Free Basic and Airtel Zero. They were providing free internet for selected websites. That was there. Free internet for some selected websites. That is now what you are doing. You are in fact blocking other website. You are giving free access only to selected website, not to all. In case of Jio offered free net and you can access any website. Now the story moves up. What happens? New applications emerged in the area of internet like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. And these, due to emergence of these things, the income of telecom company drastically got affected. Now instead of SMS, you send a message through WhatsApp or a Facebook, etc. Now these services are also referred to as over-the-top services. Due to emergence of these services, the income of the internet service the telecom provider got down. Now Facebook is not paying any amount for purchasing broadband or for purchasing bandwidth in India, neither in 2G, 3G, 4G. Facebook has participated. It is a telecom company. They have participated. So these over-the-top services, they use the internet services and provide services like voice over internet protocol and other. Now, due to their reduction in the income, the telecom companies try to block the access to these over-the-top services, or they try to charge differential pricing for them. For example, if you are making a call on, say, WhatsApp, the charge for WhatsApp would be different. Moreover, the telecom service or internet service provider, they tied up with certain companies to speed up their website over the internet. For example, say a company has tied up with Amazon. So the website of Amazon will open up quickly, whereas the other website will not open up quickly. Now this is also one of the challenge, whether the companies are tying up with the internet service provider. Now, this dispute over net neutrality has been going on for last 2-3 decades in the developed world. Now, this term net neutrality was coined by Columbia University law Professor Tim Wu. He coined the term net neutrality way back in 2002. Now, this case went on, the discussion on these issues went on in America for a long time. Several cases started at lower level and finally it reached to Federal Communication Commission FCC, that is the equivalent of Telecom Regulatory Authority in India. The American Regulatory Agency FCC, it also ruled in favor of net neutrality. Now, according to the FCC order, wired means optical fiber or copper fiber or wireless, that is through spectrum. Wireless broadband service provider cannot speed up, slow down or deny access to any app on internet. So these broadband service provider, whether it is through optical fiber or through wireless, they cannot speed up a website, slow down a website, neither they can deny access to an app or internet website that is allowed by the government. Furthermore, FCC said the Federal Communication Commission clarified that there cannot be differential pricing for different component on the internet. So the different component cannot be differentially priced. That was there in the United States. In the background of the two programs called Facebook Free Basic and Airtel Zero, in the background of these two programs, Facebook Free Basic and Airtel Zero, this matter again went to TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority in India. And TRAI also came out in favor of net neutrality. TRAI also came out in the favor of net neutrality. Now, furthermore, TRAI said that if any company is violating the net neutrality, there will be fine of rupees 50,000 per day. So if any company is violating net neutrality, it will be fined 50,000 per day. But in India, you have a lot of natural calamity. For example, there can be flood in Kerala. In that period of time, a telecom company can provide free internet access in those affected area. So TRAI said that the telecom company can provide differential services at time of natural disaster. So if there is a flood or a landslide in that affected area, the telecom company can provide differential pricing. For example, free call to that area. But the clause is this anomaly has to be reported to TRAI within 7 days. Within 7 days. Now net neutrality becomes very important. Why? The reason is it provides individuals, small companies, startup and advocacy groups a level playing field with big corporates and brands. So individuals, startup, they can compete with the big corporate. If you go into the history of Google and Facebook, they have a very humble beginning. They started from the dormitory or from the hostel room. And if there was no level playing field, then the big corporate would have made a special deal with the telecom companies and such startup would not have flourished. Therefore, for innovation to flourish, we need net neutrality. We need net neutrality. These disruptive startups are important. And these startups provide innovation. And if you do not provide net neutrality, the innovation will be suppressed and this will be bad for consumer in the long run. One important aspect of democracy is freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. This is equally important and this is also dependent on net neutrality. If the telecom operator or internet service provider, they reduce access to certain website or certain videos, then a person cannot put forward his point to other people. So this could lead to blocking other people. That is why for even a fully functional democracy or a safer side of the democratic processes, we need a neutral net, which should not favor one and which should not be disfavoring other website.